Time for a construction update. This used to have a whole bunch of restaurants in it. It's been closed for a few years. I figure they're going to make it another restaurant, but according to what it says here, it is going to be a new attraction coming next year. Interesting. And if you look inside, you'll see that they are keeping the building. I thought they were going to maybe build something completely new, but we'll see. Have no idea. Last time we were here in LegoLand, Miniland was closed for the long overdue covering so that it can avoid being damaged by the sun and the elements as much as it is when it's fully exposed. Of course, the reason is because all of the people come here complain about, oh, I can't stand out in the sun, boo-hoo. But it does also help protect the blocks. I am not seeing any evidence from here. We'll go and see if we can find any updates on the structure. So here is one of the anchor points for the new cover, which is coming soon to Miniland. Here's another spot. Now, if you watched my previous video, you remember that was blocked off on the other side because they were pouring concrete. So here's the other side of the future supports for the shade over Miniland. Aha, now that I'm looking for them, I'm seeing a whole bunch of them. Pretty well hidden though. Back here as well, behind San Francisco. So as of right now, those are all of the anchors that I can find for the project coming soon. Over here is a staging area for the supports that will be used for this new cover over Miniland. I'm guessing that they're assembling all the parts and making sure they have all the supplies before they proceed with this project, rather than closing Miniland for a while the work is intermittent while they're waiting for extra parts. That may not be the case, I'm not sure, but obviously these are the parts which will be the supports. And Miniland is open, as you see, but it's temporary. I'm not sure when it's going to be closed again. Blue Man Group. And of course, no construction update here at LegoLand Florida Resort is complete without Peppa Pig, the theme park, which is apparently not a April Fool's joke. It's actually happening. In preparation for that, they are putting some sidewalks in, or at least modifying their sidewalks. I'm not sure where this is going to, but oh man, that is the least realistic Lego bird I've ever seen. As you can see, since my last trip here, there are now, oh yeah, welcome to rainy season in Florida. It's too bad that guy couldn't walk behind me. It would be too difficult. Anyway, so we have some walls up instead of just fences, the more permanent ones, and some structures going up too. So I was thinking, obviously you can see there used to be parking spaces over here. I was thinking that they should probably expand into the parking lot because it is large and they could potentially build a parking garage. But what I was thinking is expand it into the parking garage or parking lot and make a new modern water park, because the one they purchased, it's not really laid out very well. So build a modern water park out here and then tear down the one inside and make that into more LegoLand Florida, I suppose the water park, attraction space. Being that Peppa Pig, I don't think is nearly as popular in this country. Surprised this is their location for the world's first Peppa Pig theme park. Then again, I also thought that Hogsmeade should have probably been built in England first, not Florida, but you know, I'm glad they built it in Florida first because it saved Universal. So not a whole lot to show right now. Some piles of dirt, exciting. You can see a little bit of foundation going in over here for something. Another look at that Lego brick bird. So I hope you like this LegoLand Florida Resort construction update. If you do, hit that like button. If you did not like it, hit the like button anyway. What's the difference? So I expect to show a little bit of Peppa whatever. Plus, I thought that I'd show more of the covering for Miniland. Looks like they did a lot of work that isn't quite visible, but obviously took time to accomplish with all those anchors. But thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.